Let's go 5 km color fun run for Familia Fiesta Year 3 for the benefit of Parc Regency and Monticello Youth Club, sponsored by PROFRIENDS, this July 26, 2025 here at Parc Regency Clubhouse and Gym. Registration starts at 4 a.m. and gun start for 5 a.m. I'm Drinking Nose, your Ilonggo vlogger. Come run with me as this is my first fun run inside the subdivision. All set for my race kits for race bib and singlet. This fun run includes 5 km, 3 km, and 1 km. Before the race starts, let's do some warm-up exercises. Now the program starts with the host discussing about the friendly reminder and guidelines to all runners present to this event, race routes, water station, and claiming of wristbands, with fitness instructors hyping up the crowd with these helpful moves that will surely help boost their endurance, momentum, stamina during the race and to prevent from any injuries. Now we're all set and we're heading to the starting line. And good thing the weather is good, everyone is happy and ready for the race. Let's go 5 km! And also all runners from 1 km to 3 km are all in this race. I'm doing a chill pace and gain momentum in the following kilometers, and so far I'm enjoying this race despite the challenging wet roads. Always take it slow and watch your step. Now I reach 1 kilometer. Now let's increase the speed for that 2 kilometer. Some of the runners are now returning to the finish line. Now my goal is to aim for that first wristband. My legs are still good to go. Now I can see my 5 km marker, my first wristband, and my second wristband with some colorful powders. 3 kilometer done, a short grass walk first, and now let's proceed for our 4 kilometer to 5 kilometer finish run. 4 kilometer done, got the last wristband. Now I can see the finish line, now increasing the speed to the finish line. Overall, it was fun and challenging race. Here's my Strava record, 33 minutes and 58 seconds. And let's enjoy for hot Arascaldo with Pandesal, now claiming for medals. Got my 5 km medal. Once again, thank you so much for Parc Regency and Monticello for Familia Fiesta Year 3 Color Fun Run and sponsored by ProFriends for inviting me for this fun occasion. Once again, this is Drinking Nose saying bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you again for your next race here in Iloilo City.